Hi, this is a tutorial for the Student Academic History tool in Argos. The Student Academic History report allows you to obtain a detailed list of a student's academic history. The Student Academic History tool is located in the Academics folder and then in the Program Coordinators subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. The only field that you need to complete is the P number for the student of interest. Clicking on the Retrieve Data button will bring up a student's academic history. In other tutorials, we have been able to produce data to discuss, but because this report generates one student's entire academic history, Melanie Paradise and I felt like that would be too close to violating FERPA. If you were to enter a student's P number and obtain the data, this is what you would expect to see: the student's name, credit hours earned, current GPA, any degree conferred by the college, and possibly any comments from Banner. The larger data box would include a list of all of the courses from the student's transcript. Data included is the term the course was taken, the course identifier including section, course title, whether the course was a repeat, the type of course, lecture or lab, the grade earned, and the instructor that taught that particular section. This is considerably more information than what appears on an academic transcript. Additionally, any courses that have been transferred in from other institutions will also be listed in this report. Information about transfer classes will be limited to what is normally displayed on a transcript. The Student Academic History Report allows you to take a deep dive into a student's academic successes. There are many decisions where having this level of information may be necessary. One example would be to determine whether to grant a student a prerequisite override. However, we should be mindful of FERPA regulations before sharing these results. I hope you find this useful.